mina advice engabagayo yona mahata mabachange magazine or babe nebhamu eziyi2
ane yeah
if bathi ningadubula ngithi lesi semsebenzi isikona ngisebenzisa lesi semgunyata ngifika lapha ngiyadubula mawuresponda sengikhipha lesi like nyanya ndana kena nakale jaji mawe problem yi1 akazi slow yabona namanje phela abelungu mabangathi bona bafuna ukuvusa apartheid thina yonke bathini yonke umhlaba jikelele sohlala phansi sihlale siphansi bese dilana namaZulu sihlale phansi
lena kuxoxa no tlabulela speed mo ke se kgonang teng wa ikusha basa
yes mo right uyimosha masoto wayikusha basa indaba yakho yaphi wena nangu ufuna ukusikhanselisa indaba yakho yaphi sibali ufuna ukuthi wona uRamaphosa uinvolve wena
which one is this one Sila 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 location Sila 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 location Sila Ewe Sila FC Mira Eita Hola Conres Boga Let's roll Waza Just vibes Hola Live life Lila location Sila Sila
Tati iskupu usifake ezozeni ufaka ama-specs uzoza ubumnandi obulapho yewe obulapho ayeye Tati mofaya wifake esisini esuswini ufaka ama-specs uzoza yewe uzoyiza i-energy lapho ayeyeye funda incwadi yewe incwadi uyifake engqondweni engqondweni ufaka ama-specs uzouza yewe uzouza ubuhlakanipho obulana
knowledge
awuhlakaniphi sicula ngesiZulu sowufaka isilungu ngithanda isilungu
yini knowledge ngesiZulu
ingqondo yini knowledge ngesiZulu
ukwazi ubwazi or ukwazi
angeke wazi awena umzula ngithi
mara somewhere lapho
kuphi
lapho
Aye, bafethu, welcome back to We Are Here bafethu #Sela podcast and comedy bafethu njengomgogodlo we are back but just not like your father bafethu we are back bafethu yes this is your host ke ayeye nakana la madi ya monna msipidi khaitsa mapula na masakhatsha pise ke nana ken ke mokale pheko se se gonga guys ke kisha ke nna ke ngwana tja khala ka modile matepe sa mtja ke ja ke chabe ba diti ke no ba ke khampana let's ba it's always bafethu angihambi ngiyi-1 bafethu as you know ukuthi the captain of the ship is still busy with his album bafethu so it's still a resurrection day for our ghost man bafethu give it up to your one and only bafethu the thespian bafethu the writer bafethu the comedian bafethu the podcaster bafethu give it up to your one and only undoda indoda ibiza fanarha ifika izolo mari ya confuse right give it up to your one and only umatiming
wena sesi.
Yeah.
Hayi lezi ezibamba isikhathi angithola. Yeah, ungibiza namhlanje ngifika izolo.
Isifu yasibamba ngempela.
Hayi ngiyasibamba isikhathi. That's
Yeah.
why bathi le ndoda oyibiza namhlanje ifika izolo.
Ifika izolo.
Yeah.
Uma fika izolo.
Eh.
Eh.
timing.
Yeah. Pero to skip out.
Aish. Life is life.
The life is too life.
The life is too life.
Kwenzakalani ngelife uthi life is life?
Ngizwe bathu ukamumphela de kamumphela yamazi.
Kamomphela ubani ongazi kamomphela sibali.
Ayimfana. Lo on a mention.
Sure.
Ye 8 point something meter. Maruma oledo wakho yasafara le muva le. Bathi from emkhukhwini igawulo. Like umuntu ophuwa marindodakazi yakhe.
Indodakazi yakhe
inemali inemishini mari oledi lakhe liyasafara.
Lo story lesibuya va
Kanjani? Sibuya ku Facebook.
Cause nami ngisibonile but ngivele nga screenshot yaza ngiphatha ngama topic ngila mara sobo ngivele nga screenshot ngasibeka efonini angazi kwenzakaleni so ngibone like ngathi bathi lento le ekhiphe le story lesi bathi yiyo like is a program elandelela ama celebrity babona ngathi ba rich but i-background yabo abayincedi like ifamily yabo abayincedi and the stuff yes ngathi balandela abantu abangenjalo so ngathi bafande out nayo ngokamomphela kanjalo ukuthi
yeah mina ngisho kanje angisho ukuthi ngiyamblame angisho ukuthi angimblame futhi
yeah
I wanna know ukuthi what's the reason behind
unaso le story less
yeah no
because Marvel it doesn't make sense
yeah
yeah Bathi Kamomphela faces backlash over conditions of her mother's home. Lezokala mara le mic. Ngingathi nginebase kwenzakala. South Africa amapiano star Kamomphela has recently found herself at the center of social media criticism following a viral video allegedly showing the modest condition of her mother's house. The clip shared by a controversial Twitter blogger Musa Khawula sparked a heated conversation online about celebrity responsibility and family dynamics. In the now viral video, viewers were surprised by the appearance of the house, which did not match their expectation. Many head for the mara sibali manje la uKristu mara ngiwo uKristutile mara yile nto oh ngiva kumeni ne many head for the ithi ngicalela in the now viral video viewers were surprised by the appearance of the house which did not match their expectations. Many head for the home of successful artist parent Kamu, known for her flashy lifestyle and energetic performance, is often seen enjoying the luxuries that come with fame. This contrast led to public assumption that she may not be providing enough support to her mother. Wow. Musa Khawula added fuel to the fire.
Oh, before going further, what's the reason behind that?
We all don't know.
Before you go further.
Yeah.
What's the reason?
Because already lento lesengifundile aba state reason ukuthi why bavele basitshela ukuthi lento le ithole uMusa Khawula and abantu were only surprised ukuthi wakanjani ulena aphila i-luxury life kanje and then but indleko ibo ikanje.
I support. What's the reason behind
so
that?
we still have to know the reason.
Yeah.
But Musa Khawula added a fuel to the fire. Show to Eddie paraffin phakathi komo fire. Shout out to DJ Sbu bafethu for more fire bafethu. Shout out to Stefina Pasha for the books bafethu. Yeah, Musa Khawula added a fuel to the fire by claiming that Kamu's mother struggles with alcoholism. He captioned the video with a statement suggesting the singer's mother is drowning in alcohol, further deepening the controversy. While there has been no confirmation for Kamu or her family, the institution has led.
Uma uledi umama kaNkaba umphela
Sure.
ungene kubo alcohol because of uKama umphela lento ayenzayo or before uKama umphela aba yi celebrity beka ku alcohol na.
I think
ngestory. So buya kula ma question.
Manje ngabe uphethe pen wabhala mse. Mara is fine.
Chubeka.
Bengiva. While there has been a confirmation Kamu and her family, the institution has led to divide options among fans and the general public. Some Twitter users expressed disappointment, criticizing Kamu for allegedly neglecting her mother. Kamu is busy saying while her mom lives in a non-room house. One user wrote, highlighting the stark contrast in their living conditions. Others questioned whether Kamu treats her parents equally as her father. As her father is known to be closely involved in her career and regularly appears in her public life.
So
uthi ubaba uGray.
Umawuledi huyo ngekho Gray.
Umawuledi huyo ngekho Gray.
Why?
Hey.
Singathatha siblame abantu kanti kune reason behind that.
Hayi. However, not everyone agreed with the criticizing. Several users came to Kamu's defense, pointing out that it's unfair to judge a personal family situation without knowing the full context. What's their relationship like? We don't know if her mom was even present in her life growing up. One user asked, suggesting there might be more to the story than the video showed.
Mara, before you go further, even if bangekho umama wakhe makakhula, she's still her mother. Unemali. Why angamnakekeli?
But you were not there when I was struggling, bruh. When I needed you nganamali. Manje ngoba nginemali, then I have to be there for you.
What if une reason yakhe? Everyone has a reason ukuthi why ayenzile lento leya. Why angamuphi indlebe amamela ukuthi maybe ubabakho umfebele or something.
Don't you think wena manje, if let's say your mother and your father right now bayacabana, ubani ozophuma endlini?
Ubani ozophuma endlini?
Yeah. Ubani okumele aphume endlini if bayacabana, if bayadivorce, bayacabana ubani okumele aphume endlini ashiye omunye?
Umawuledi.
Kanjani sibali? Umawuledi kumele aphume endlini ashiye time.
Angazi mina.
I-time okumele livaye. Senyakufundisa nalento le next time now mawuba nomndeni. Because lento le it happened right now, just I won't mention the family. If manje umama wakho nobaba wakho bayacabana, ubaba wakho kumele acabange ukuthi nginabantwana ngayini. If ngicosha lo mfazi lapho phela umfazi irresponsibility enkulu kubantwana. Uyohamba nabantwana lo, so abantwana bayikhulela egadleni eliphi.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah.
To come to that ukuthi wena what if ubaba wamchithela? If ubaba umchithela, why angahambanga nomntwana, angahambanga nokamumpela if uyahamba ushiya ubaba?
Thola ukuthi bangasebenzi.
Bangaka abantu abakhulisa abantwana bangasebenzi. Abazali bethu basikhulise bangasebenzi. But mina my father was working until I was.
Yabona beba bonke. Thola ukuthi lo maybe nemndeni wakhe lo mawuledi lo I am support.
But bra kushiya umntwana just because of I'm not working. That's not the reason.
Wena ungithathe ngathi like ngidefenda lo mawuledi.
Angimdefend. Same conversation.
Angimdefend lo mawuledi. Mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi what's the reason behind all these things?
We all don't know the reason. Angithi se wena uthi what if umchithele? Senami ngikhuluma yami reason ukuthi if umchithele ngempela bokumele if yena uyangala lo mama makangale nomntwana athathe umntwana ahambe naye.
Ayosokola naye. Right ne. Mara maybe uzwele umntwana abona ukuthi ubaba uphila impilo grand angakhona ukunakekela umntwana naku umnakekelo kwamphela up until abasiphumelela manje.
But what if if khona manje ngiyabona ukuthi uyasebenza mina ngisebenzi ngithatha umntwana ngiyokubophisa for i-maintenance, simple thing. I-maintenance if uhola 4,000 bazenze ukuthi ungigaya 1.5 every month, simple thing, kunokuthi ngishiye umntwana nawe and then ngiyahamba. Umama onjani ushiya umntwana? Akunamama ongafuni ukushiya umntwana sibala. Then what kind of a mother wena ushiya umntwana
9 months
9 months zonke bese makavele uyamshiya ngenxa ukuthi stepfather I mean le ubaba wakho ukabuse or whatever the reason it is lesingayazi.
Wow. Qhubeka.
Yeah. Fawula la. But another person assured this statement writing, Kamu chose to spotlight, but her mom didn't. Yes. She's not a public figure. Parents should be off limits. This isn't right. Many argued that dragging her mother into the limelight was a violation of privacy and that family matters shouldn't be publicly scrutinized. Hey. This situation brings up an ongoing debate about celebrities and their obligation to family members. While some believe that financial success should automatically lead to upliftment of loved ones, others argue that the personal relationships and family dynamics are complex and not always public businesses. As now, Kamumpila has not responded to the video or the allegation. The silence from her side leaves room of speculation, but also emphasizes the importance of respecting privacy, especially when it comes to sensitive family issues. Regardless of where one stands on the matter, the discussion highlights how quickly social media can turn personal life into public drama, often without full understanding or context. And exactly, injalo. Tina and we must understand, social media, there are some people who are just sitting on a laptop like this, busy on a laptop, just to jeopardize someone's career. Yeah. And umsebenzi wabo lento le. So umuntu mazoveza ivideo kanje and then thina we are quick to judge ukamumphila ukuthi unemali uphila luxury lifestyle without knowing i-reason yakhe, without knowing i-background yakhe nomama yakhe ukuthi where they are coming from, without knowing ukuthi ukhulisa ubani, wakhulisa uloyo mama lo. Othola ukuthi thina sikhuluma kanje ukuthi kamumphila nomama yakhe, othola ukuthi futhi akamazi nokumazi lo mama or wamazi sekana 20 or seka famous nokuba famous. We all don't know.
And they say uthola ukuthi maybe ngayibeka kanjani le ndaba, like ezusho ukuthi akamazi umama wakhe ini ngithola bekabuza ngomama wakhe bamtshela izitori abamtshele zona, ngithola maye seka famous maybe uyavela lo mama makavela, so kamphela obvious uzocabanga izinto eziningi. What if lo muntu lo akusuma mama street just ukuthi uvela ngokuthi senginempilo egrand?
No, but angithi if ubaba usaphila, this guy angithi still alive and he knows ukuthi walala nobani, uyamazi ukuthi ubani intombi yakhe lo walala naye. So I think lana mina maybe, I don't know, we all don't know what happened, right? So maybe ukamumphila ukhulisele ulo father lo. Maybe when she turns 20 or 21 makasekabuza ubaba ngomama, umama uba nolaka abajabulanga bafela icala lika baba. Yazi lokho. So bakabuza ubaba ngomama, maybe ubaba bekamtshela ukuthi mntana umama wakho uyaphuza njengoba bayishilo bathi this woman is an alcoholic. We don't know ukuthi washiya umntwana ngenxa ukuthi yena bekaphuza bekahamba iphuza.
Na yasazi ukuthi kuzangena kulobutshwala lobu uyenzwe
yini othola ukuthi abe alcoholic kanje, maybe uyenze ile ndoda le. That's why ngithi we need a full story in order ukuthi maybe singajudge ukamumphila or sijudge already khona manje. We don't have a right to judge, but we have a right to
thina la ngoba bakhuluma ngokamumphela nomama wakhe, busy sijaja bona labantu kanti umuntu kwamele simjaje ile
time exactly uthola ukuthi thina sithi umalodi alcoholic uthola ukuthi le time leli loku labhiza lo malodi until lo malodi athena into alcoholic.
Yes.
Because there are some other people we ngathini we deal with trauma in a different way.
Yeah.
Because if there are some people who deal with trauma by smoking, there are some people who deal with trauma by drinking, there are some people who deal with trauma by crying the whole night or by staying in a room not speaking to anyone the whole day. Yeah, some bayazikhatha, some even turn into being serial killers because of they didn't even get help.
Yeah.
So everyone has a way of healing. And
Yeah.
we all don't know which vele lo mama bekahlukumezile or vele yena vele was decided ukuthi I'm living this life mina ngifuna ukuba alcoholic because of there are some other girls mazomthatha wena manje uzombeka endlini uzotshela ukuthi mina I'm not that type.
Yazini mina futhi ngiyaziphuzela utshwala.
Ngiyaziphuzela utshwala mina ngiyazithengela utshwala angifuni indoda ezongitshela ukuthi ngenzeni ngaleso sikhathi sinomntwana just imagine.
Uthini umntana wakho uceda uzongitshela ukuthi umntana mina angifuni ukuthi aphuze ayenze ini uzibona kuphi uzibona kumama ngithi
exactly but it takes a village to raise a child. No ayifuni ukuyisho kanjalo but charity started home. Begins at home because I'm gonna put it like this because if ngibona into endlini angeke kuzongikhuza ukuthi ngingabhemi but wena ubhema.
Mara sometimes you can blame parents for no reason. Bakhona abantu ekibo abaphuzi ababhemi mara bona bayaphuza bayabhema abantwana.
It's because of angithi ilena let me tell you something umfundi kasibheji bari yamazi ukayitswalela. Umfundi in other words umfundisi akamzali umfundisi isangoma izali isangoma.
Yeah.
Ngeke sonke ukuthi singaphuzi soba ngamabhari sonke mas. Uthi sonke
Oh God, what bophuza ihleba.
Not per se ukuthi we are that clever but you know there are some other things as we learn as a people we learn from different places. You understand?
Yeah.
Mangihleli namajita mangibhema masibhema insango there are something that I'm learning from them. Lo mjita maphumile mahleli namajita aphumile ngaphandle baphuza baloku batshelana banga there are something that they are learning from them. So sure.
Yeah.
That's why bathi umuntu kumele abe streetwise. That's why abantwana basema-suburbsini lot of them mabase bakhule bathole freedom baqala baba abanyawupe ama-cheese boy mara baba abanyawupe because of they didn't get that freedom. Bebahlezi bavalelwe 7 days. I know one of my cousin obhema ama-drugs man because of akayitholanga le chance lokuthi abe umjita ahlala nabanye amajita they used to lock him 7 days yonke.
Angithi like ufana nenja ungavalela inje isikhathi eside te uzoyivulela eyopronka ngeke uyibamba.
Manje sizinje
phi. Mina angizangathi inja mina like example like kufana noCheru maybe uthi we strict mother mina umntana angifuna aphumele ngaphandle yamvalela the day azophuma
but ngiyakwana
uyafuna ukuzi experience zonke lezi zinto
abuya preg
uma ngalo ukuthi uprege kanjani
ngoba uhlezi sengidit but you don't understand ukuthi umkhiphe endlini akakwazi ukuhlakanipha kwestrati. Children must be streetwise. We are like this because of we are streetwise. We have jokes like this. I'm a comedian like this because of our streetwise. Bengihlala ngisemakuleni njengamajita the time ngisabhema ugwayi nami ngihlezi ngisemakuleni because of our streetwise.
Abantu basola lamajita lawa ploma emakuleni
bas disturb ukuthi sikolotise lapha right. Asakwazi ukolotisa ngenxa yakho umuntu ngo6 ekseni already sekasemakuleni wenza kanini madama rezinye sibali alale makini akukho mnandi makini kahle
mina ngiphendule lezongishayisa ngabantu
hayi umuntu ngo6 already sekasemakuleni umele ozothenga ugwayi azombhemisa hayi That's mina nguyekile ugwayi amasira. Hayi angeke. Esibala ugwayi bengikwazi ukuvuka la ngo10 or ngo11 ngiphaphama ngifuna ugwayi thola ngana gwayi. Ngiyazi ngiyavuka ngiye etavern kwaJack ngithunga ugwayi bese ngiyobhema ngiyabuya ngiyalala. Just
for ugwayi.
Oh mfethu.
Yes.
Oy.
Yes.
Yeah. So did you see bathu bani? uShantesh, yamazi Shantesh?
Ngiyezwa ngayo Shantesh
Shanti mama lengoma le.
Ahe.
Yeah.
Ahe.
Rithini konje lengoma bengicula man. Ring.
Bahane
Angikatse
tjao
ba hore ke toka o ba ke selenda nna. Ke nna ka le jaji mawe. Problem e one. Akazi slow.
Kanjani?
Did you see
Like akazi silungu kanjani like
not to say we are here to educate.
yeah.
Nathi one day I'm not saying ukuthi ngiyasazi isilungu.
Yeah.
Perfecting isilungu no.
Mawuthi that's why that's
Yile.
go.
Uthi ngcolile lele. Yile vet. Isibala uyibona lento le.
Elapha efonini.
Oh. Bosathini.
Yo ngiyafana bengisathi like that's why ngokubuza ukuthi akasazi isilungu how mina nami angisazi isilungu
Sure.
angithola mina isilungu vele hayi angisazi ayikuthi angisazi ukuthi angisazi at all or ngakhona ukucommunicate nomlungu
Or yeah, kanjalo is fine.
ukuthi like
awuvula TikTok yakho lapho usearch ukuthi shande ngisho ukuthi khona interview. Cause lapha I don't think ukuthi maybe uShantesh ukhula isilungu or kanjani.
Yeah.
Maybe ushawile question the way bambuza yona ngakhona. Cause the question lapha was what is Likompo to you? What does Likompo mean to you? The main question was what made you to make Likompo music?
Yeah.
It's like saying what made you to choose to do a podcast.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Hey, that's why.
Athini umntana bami?
Hey, athini bona? Hey,
Izana.
kwenzakalani ngifuna? Ngoba sifuna ukusearch la. Slow didn't spell into yakho.
Hello wife.
Hayi,
Ijemisa ifoni yami.
hayi ifoni yakho islow.
Ama-Wi-Fi ijemisa ifoni yami.
Yeah. Idomo ngajemi ama-Wi-Fi amafoni mabona ama-Wi-Fi fast niba slow. Ngoba phela ubudomo lezi.
Jayeli data.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And your fans home, yeah? Most definitely. Likompo ko wena irauring. What does it mean to you?
Likompo ke music wa Limpopo.
Yeah, to you personally.
Mara ke tori Likompo ke.
Why do you create Likompo music? Why not amapiano? Why not anything else? Any other genre?
Ubona
You understand what you're asking? Anyway, mara ke nna ke sa understand.
Go on, understand.
Likompo ke.
No, go wena. What does making Likompo music mean to you as an artist?
Actually, I'm trying to say Likompo ke. Not
I
Mona.
understand.
Moe,
It's simple question.
Keleja happy again.
So I don't know ukuthi umntana abantu. Ilikompa is other type of genre, is another genre of music angithi. Ushebe ezayishilo. Bakhe bambuza the same question. Bakhe bambuza the same question. But yini Likompo? Abuza uMac G. He bathini he answered that question. Ngaba lo mntwana if yena akazi ukuthi yini Likompo, ngaba angazi ukuthi baba wabheka ama podcast. I don't think you can do something that you can understand. Ungene kanjani Likompo if you don't know what is Likompo? Because ushebe shit washo ukuthi is a ratchet music yena kuye.
Yeah.
That's why futhi makangena engomeni yakhe. Because I will ask myself ukuthi why ushebe shit always engomeni yakhe akhuluma izinto ezikanje athi shita mfana ukikamlaya engomeni. So kanti dade uthi I ratchet music. Ratchet music means it's a rough music. You understand? So that's why I rap kanje akhuluma into ezikanje.
Yeah.
So into engizibuza ngoShantesh ukuthi ungena kanjani entweni ungayi understand ukuthi yini. Ngeke ngithi manje mina ngenza ingoma ngenza amapiano without knowing ukuthi amapiano avela lapho, without knowing ukuthi yini ipiano. without knowing ukuthi phakathi kwamapiano there is a different genre of amapiano phakathi kwayo.
ngike ngavakashe ey'tudweni like ngathi nginabangani ba-producer.
Even one of our hosts is a producer, bra. Yes.
Nginabangani aba-producer ngike ngabloma nabo ba-producer.
Sure.
Like the way mina ngimbona ngakho ubuzile question anguthi ngiyamela ane ubuzile question ukuthi
uyathanda ukubekida ene bathini i-disclaimer yazi i-disclaimer lesibeka before i-podcast ukuthi ningakhuleni zonke izinto esishoyo what hayi ubeka i-disclaimer before ukhuluma hayi ukuthi ngiyamkhulumela ne mara beka i-fact yakho weke lokuthi hayi ukuthi ngiyamkhulumela.
Okay, yena ushilo ukuthi like yimi engakunderstand or question yakho ngiyangithola kunokuthi like bavele bakungenise entweni nje ungazi ukuthi yini lento le mara ujabule na ukuthi sengingenile lapha ya
mase ungenile why can't you do a research ukuthi bangenisa what if siyangenisa phakathi kwe-pick wena awenzi research ngoba imali yangena so uthulile nje khona manje nako besenza ama research sibheka ama podcast getting ukuthi i-generation injani ama rules sase sathini asifuni ukuya ku generation senzeni i-research lento leya mase ungene phakathi wangayenzi research now uwazi ukuthi le music lo uvelaphi. First of all bokunabo makhathi abo Master KG abo Munate bebashaya lo music lo waselimpopo but ili completely different ngani kulo music wabo
and nabo baba famous
bathina owethu music different why like, another thing
okay ithi ubuzile nge-background yakhe ithini background ka-Shantesh
like I don't know ukuthi uqedile matric or kanjani but she's 21 years old living I think in rural areas. I'm not sure, you can check it there or uGoogle khona ngithi I'm not sure but beside the background bra okay ufuna ukuthi background yenzani
like ngisho i-background ukuthi uqedile isikolo izinto ezinjalo
nje mara kunezinye izinto azidinga isikolo kunezinye izinto ngihlezi ngipreacha lento lo kunezinye izinto azidinga isikolo. Another thing sinama manager right if we artists stay huge kanje njengoShandesh you have to have some managers, you have to have people who run your career, you understand le manager la immediately mabayifonela mabathi sicela uShandesh kuTshwane FM into okumele abe ayenzile or unless sibafonele yena straight uShandesh into ngaba abele ababuze yona ukuthi what kind of question are you going to ask me if I don't know how to speak English if ngi-manager and then i-client yami ayikwazi ukukhuluma English I have to tell you guys my client is like this, she can't speak English, can we have 100% language or 10% English and then 90% language because my client doesn't understand English that much, you understand simple. So when uthatha umntana abantu
fuck
umfaka lapha yase ungathi manje sekayasihlaza
umntana abantu bezikwa
uyasha manje hayi but it's important ukuthi mawungena ku-industry or ku-genre of music or another something in music or acting do a research masikubiza ku-podcast you can tell us ukuthi guys there's this question that I don't want you to ask me, there are this question that I want you to ask me. You understand tell us something bathini sibuze ukuthi sizokhuluma ngani ningibizelela be honest mina majita I can't speak English asikhulumeni
and it's not a crime to
ukungazi isilungu nabelungu nabo abasazi isiZulu abasazi iSpedi
bayafa abafi
but if another advice ukuthi if you want to get in this industry music industry but mostly kule industry le acting is important. If you don't know English it's important to know isiZulu if you don't know isiZulu it's important to know English because these languages they are the one dominating ema stage, they're the one dominating kuma presenters nishangane these days
mina ngibona ngathi like these days like every language like every language
isiZulu bra ngiyakutshela incoming years yabona the way isilungu iAfrikaans bengakhona la eSouth Africa incoming years isiZulu sizoba kanjani izoba ukuthi uma ngazi isiZulu kusho ukuthi awubelong in South Africa. Izoba kanjalo because
vele mara kudala nakudala bekanjalo phela mina mangisakhula like mangiphuma ngaphandle angithi ngamatsonga endlini mangiphuma ngaphandle hlangana nezulu noma iPedi like uzomnothisa maybe maybe umacala wakho nisestradini maybe uthi ngikhaphe siye ekhaya sothuna something
bengisacabanga
uzomnothisa lapho ukuthi iPedi man lo muntu lo
bengisacabanga lento lokuthi why umuntu angekho fluently kuSitsonga mara ngaze ngiphile nabantu nabangani abaningi bamatsonga ngaze answer ngathi okay answer naye you know why amatsonga ayafana namaPedi mostly mara amaPedi especially mina amaPedi abemakhaya wayenza mara iPedi likhulele eGoli if ngihlangana neTsonga today masifika lapha sikhuluma isiZulu ngeke ngikhuluma iSepedi ngeke ngikhuluma isiTsonga masifika sikhuluma isiZulu bengihlala neTsonga edeskini ibest friend yami bathu Justice mara bengakwazi ukukhuluma isiTsonga but that time after matric ngaba nebest friend yemTsonga bathu still besikhuluma isiZulu khona manje ngihlala nawe still sikhuluma isiZulu awukhuluma isikini angikhuluma isigidi why into engisho ukuthi yabona isiZulu ukuthi sidominate why khona manje masibhala ingeke senze content ngikhuluma iSepedi wena ukhuluma isiShangane siyokhuluma isiZulu why yonke into uZulu
yabona from namhlanje mngani wami sashintsha sakuquka
itabula isiShangane itabula iSepedi
tabula laSepedi sikabala bosaka
sure kufanele ku rive njalo
itlaba
bya namuhla itasungula ku vulavula isiShangane me ani tivi lo me ni ta vulavula isichangani ene ngita xivulavula lo la ni xi kota kho
lina ku tlogela no tla bolela Sepedi mo ke se kgonang teng wa ikusha basa
yes mo right we mo se masoto wa ikusha basa
ikandini ukukwishisha
hayi right ukukwishisha mara lele facial expression
mara kasotla Sepedi
wasotla ama isikhuluma istage nesotho
lesi kwamele ngithi ngiyashapa
was better or was sharper or was tier
ngiyasiti
or was iti
ngiyasiti
hayi Sepedi naso hayi
siningi man
hey kuningi besasekuphi besikhuluma
ngoshandeshe bra thi like angali ukuthi like ngivusa indaba zakudala ne but here we are here to teach and make jokes at the same time
yes
like asibuye kule ndaba le yaka do you know the famous gospel guy uSifiso Ncwane
kulungile
baba
ngithi noma uyintando yakho
kulungile ba
ngifuna umusho ingoma yabantu asiyeke wenzani uSifiso Ncwane uSifiso Ncwane lebe inemino eyi6 angithi mayi kanje binemino eyi11
the late
abanye abantu ba blessed
and aba blessed ngamampela ke futhi
kwenzakalana ngodelete
the late Sifiso Ncwane ngizwa bathi i step daughter sakhe besirayide besikhala after her father's loss like ukulahleka kwababakhe like ukuthi yena engathi akathulanga ebekahlupheka
angithola like they akatholanga next after the inheritance
yes
how
like yes
the step daughter I don't understand
step daughter like okay uSifiso Ncwane umfazi wakhe bekanomfazi wakhe ne
sure
and bekanomntana ngaphandle
then umntwana wakhe ungathi step daughter kulo mama not kuSifiso Ncwane
ngithe kuSifiso Ncwane mina ngithi maybe ngikhuluma ngoAyanda Ncwane
Ayanda Ncwane the most beautiful lady guys in the world I thought that lady is beautiful bafethu Alo mama muhle sibaya.
Mngani wami.
Oh baba. Oh. Bathini la? Ncwane family. Yabona nice lungu. Tamule. Ayanda Ncwane faces legal action over alleged forgery of Sifiso Ncwane's will. Wow. The Ncwane family has been thrust into a contentious legal battle as Ayanda Ncwane, the widow of the late gospel sensation Sifiso Ncwane, faces allegation of forgery involving his will. The accusations have been brought forward by Sifiso's stepchildren, who claims that Ayanda manipulated the will to make herself the sole beneficiary of his estate, cutting them out entirely.
Kanti
Wow.
lapho bathi children ane
Sifiso Ncwane
step children mara mina ngazi wanomntana oyi-1
vele.
wangaphandle. Chubeka.
Yazithini? The accusation have been brought forward by Sifiso's stepchildren. Sifiso's stepchildren. Step. Sho uthi labantwana bakalo mama but akuseya baka Sifiso.
Shuthi labantwana laba Ayanda Ncwane akusi baka Sifiso. Ile nto ishoyo.
Sho uthi lo mama maybe uze nabanye abantwana.
Ayanda Ncwane. Shukuthi mara bathi unabantwana abayi2 nje kuphela musa. Yibo laba baka Sifiso Ncwane.
At the heart of dispute is the contested will, which purportedly leaves all Sifiso Ncwane's assets to Ayanda by facing his children from previous relationships. These children, now adults, argue that will's content are unfair and do not reflect their father's true intentions.
Yeah.
Okay. Manje labantu laba sisalena le.
Wait. But now laba abakhule khona elaba abafuna ukudayile izinto zabo zakuwila ngithi. Angithi angazi angikhosho mara mama noma usasemncane if time lakho likushiyele something like kwamela uyithola ngithi.
Sure, after mase una 18 or 21.
And yakwamelanga uyilandelele yona iyazela ku.
No, kahle mase angithi kune agreement. If let's say umoyana unishiyela maybe let's say $1 million. And then when you're still young, awakabi nene 18 years, you're still maybe 11 years, 10 years.
Sure.
Abosithu bazoyithola imali zabo. But le bazontshela ukuthi lo ngoba yena akaka 10 18 maze uthana 18 years uzoyithola imali yakhe mase uqala na 18 years they will call you bona ukuthi sikhamariso exactly
mase bakhathisa sayanga sure uyaza lento le ku
sure bakufunela
bakutshela kwamele laba bazilandele bona
angithi lana ukuthi lana ukuze baziyele lo mfazi lo bathi ufotshe iwill athena yonke into ukuthi ibe under yena. Even the state ukuthi the estate ukuthi ibe under yena lo mfazi lo kuphela anga involve abantwana baka Sifiso Ncwane
nabantwana laba wakhe
yes abakhe bazodla ngithi banayi laba phela ibona abahlali na
ngizwile kunale story lesikudala la az explainer khona lo mntana lo Sincobile Rubani
Ncwane
ukuthi like la ngibe nelentuzana nomntana khona besingazwani mina no stepmother sami Ayanda Ncwane.
Hawu.
Kushuthi kahle vele uyafuna ukudla yena nabantwana bakhe. Lo amuthi ancane ngapha.
So lento lezi ezihle sisifuna ukusishada lezi kahle. Lo mphathi amuhle kanje ngidisappoint.
That's why mina angale ekhaya bafuna ukuthi ngijola ne mara bona. That's why bangitshela ekhaya ukuthi mntanami don't have a type. Ukuthi mina ngifuna icherry enhle eyellow bone enamafika epakile. Hayi ungaba nayo lo cherry omuhle uyellow bone opakile onamafika mara la. Next.
Mina manje yabona mpintshami kampana ngavi la. Iskobo mina ngeke. manje ngizoshada iskobo nginqa ukuthi sinengqondo
not iskobo exactly.
phela uyathi ingqondo ikobo sibani
Now ngavela ulanda iskobo.
Mara social ubani mongozilandi kanti nawane isikobo Sizosho ubani lekobo masingasilandi
Hayi mina ngisho ukuthi like
marapeka hlami
futhi neBhayibheli liyasho ukuthi akekho umuntu omubi la emhlabeni. Sonke sibahle.
Ivesi iphi le?
Ngikhohlika igama la Marile yasho. Akekho umuntu omubi la emhlabeni.
Kanjani
Sonke sibahle.
uNkulunkulu uyawenza ama mistake wakhe.
And nomuntu uyawenza ama mistake wakhe.
Makadala naye kunala mistake lawo wayenzile makadala ucabanga ukuthi labantu laba abamnyama laba kunala athi uyobheka sameya mathi makabuya athola abachili.
Ayakuchaphaza
Anti ngiyakutshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu na uyawenza mistake yakhe. Labantu laba beyishapa lawo. Since ababekile bahleli kanje baze bamelta abakhohliwe.
Mara uNkulunkulu uyayenza yini umuntu
Abe
shapa
mafika yikuthi mistake that thing leya. Crazy mistake of creation.
Hey yes
Mina ngeke umfazi esikobo uyohamba nobani estradini sibala isikobo.
Ngithi umshala lapha ngenkathi zebhoko.
Hayi sibala mina ngeke. Umfazi onganangqondo yakwazi ukumnika incwadi afunde ahlakaniphe.
Mara kunabanye bokuthi mngani wami like lo angaba muhle angaba yonke into. Mara kunozifanela.
Ngikuthini?
Like akusi housewife.
Being
a queen.
Being a wife is not
uphila nge-take away.
Let me tell you something. Bakhona amadoda ayifunayo lento le.
Wena ungayijabulela wena kuwe.
If I love her, if I have money ukuthi sophila nge-take away every day, then there's no problem. Ngisile ndoda le izofika ngizobuza ukuthi wangaphekanga kunamanye amadoda afuna ipapa every day. Kunamanye hayi.
Na baba. Nawo uma indoda kwamele ucabanga ukuthi sometimes umfazi wami kwamele ngimphumuze abuya esipanini lothola ngithola yonke into.
Kunabanye ke abayicabanga lento le ukuthi umfazi bayicabanga ukuthi umfazi umela washe aclean apheke umgibele hayi wena wenzani umsebenzi wakho just ngenxa ukuthi wena uyasebenza you bringing money to the table.
What if now uyasebenza ke?
Coming to what if now uyasebenza akakwazi ukucleana akakwazi ukupheka kwenzeni. Obvious if you all working and then we can afford we're gonna hire a cleaner also cleaner. If we have to eat takeaways every day then we're gonna eat takeaways every day. There's no problem, life goes on. Manje ngingabi nomfazi ngenxa ukuthi mina sifuna ukudla takeaway every day.
Mara mfethu lifa
Kunezinye izinto sisabacindezela sibani.
Umuntu ophuma emakhaya
Sure. Angikhulela ngemakhaya but.
Sure.
Ngikhulele la eJozi.
Yeah. Mayo umcova asambe mamasi awucava ukupheka wena asambe uyokumamazala
sure
uma ufike kumamazala umntana umcela ungenzela ipapa
umfazi wami akakwazi ukupheka akusicala mama sithi akakwazi ukupheka une diploma lo mfupho wakabhuti wami lo ukwazi ukupheka unani ungangitshela ngumuntu ongana education wami une education uyasebenza uletha 11,000 to the table lo ophekayo ulethana ngoba uletha indlala endlini. Umfazi mamthatha umthatheli umzali wakho. That's why many relationships fail, many marriages fail because of sithatha umuntu sithi sichaza umzali but mina I'm not satisfied. Ngiyothatha ingane emakhaya edom engizothi cimile laptop bese acrashile laptop. Ngimthathela ngenxa ukuthi uyakwazi ukupheka, ngenxa ukuthi uyakwazi ukwenza umlilo. Fuck you nalomlilo wakho. Mina I want someone who can think like me, who can think out of 10 of boxes together. Just like my girlfriend right now, we can think out of 10 boxes together. And one day she's gonna become my manager. So uyabona ukuthi at least kunobuhlakaniphi. Simitana ngento eyi-1. Not ukuthi ukwazi ukwenza umlilo. Uyasisapha umlilo wakho. Ngizothi bangithathile la siye kuma interview bakubuza ukuthi how you doing. Kunabanye abantu abazi lesilungu total. Bese ngiyobheka kanjani mina? ngincinga ukuthi ngithatha umfazi ukuthi uyakwazi uku-understand umamama, uyakwazi ukwenza zonke izinto zasemakhaya. No, kampani-ke ngibe nabafazi abayi-2, ngithathele wasemakhaya ngimshadele for umamama, ngimshada ahlele nomamama bese mina ngithathele umntana
so that's why amatsonga amaningi la
ayenza kanje. Bayazi ukuthi ni-rude, manifika la ni-apartheid nigcinizela abanye abantwana ngoba bona babiye egoli. Akusiyi-fault yabo ukuthi wona bakhulele egoli wena ukhulele emakhaya, akusiyi-fault yabo. So singabathathi ngenxa ukuthi bona bakhulele egoli.
I get it. Ngiyayithola.
Yeah. Analete ungathatha umuntu uthi uchaza umzali. That's the first point lena empilweni yakho. Mazi uthi uthatha umzali wazi ukuthi i-relationship akungeke iye fokole. Izo control abazali futhi i-relationship yakho. Mabathi shada yashada.
Yeah.
Kodwa la. Mabathi shada yashada. Mabathenza le nto yayenza hayi. Hayi. Hawu.
Hey.
Ngithi ngizokhuluma ngani futhi? Batho bani le i-vice president yethu bathe bacishe bayidubula.
Cishe bamdubula.
Attempted murder batho bani man la uthi le. Awazi na president yethu ukuthi batho i-vice president. Yo. Umsamsele kubani? uPaul Mashatile. Musamsele kule wama polygram.
Bese ngifuna ukubanga ngithi hayi into ayisebenzisayo lo mjidi enkulu sekaba ilentuzane sekayoba yipresident manje. Ngeke.
Hayi bani ngithe uPaul bani? Paul Mashatile. Paul Mashatile ya. I-vice president yethu. Bathi acishe bayidubula. Nakhona ayi lesa story sakhe le nomjita leyo hayi le vice president uthi uMramaphosa masuka vele lo mjita leyo uyaza by president yethu lo ya.
Like bacishe bamdubula.
Uthi
kanti yena angithi lezi zinto zama president abahambe nama security.
Sure.
Armed securities.
Even the car is bulletproof. Cause uthi le bullet uyibona mase afika endlini ukuthi phela lento le bullet yena bayacabanga ukuthi litshenyana nje lishaye imoto cause le moto la ngithi bulletproof mayishaye vele ithi qo. Manje sibuza ukuthi ne bullet mara pho futhi on screenini awuyibona ukuthi lento le ishayile bullet la. Mafika endlini khona uyibona khona announce ukuthi bacishe bangibulala what.
So bazama ukuthi like okay let me get this thing right. Kuze uRamaphosa bafuna ukumsusa manje.
Ususa ubani Ramaphosa?
Ngiyabuza.
Hoyi. Manje wena ufuna ukuthini? Indaba yakho yapi wena? Nangu ufuna ukusikhanselisa. Indaba yakho yapi sibani? Ufuna ukuthi wena uRamaphosa uinvolve wena.
That's why ngithi let me get this thing right.
No, besides getting it right wena okay. Let's say manje bayamsusa uRamaphosa vele sifuna ukumsusa bona ufuna ukuthi vele kusho ukuthi
if bamsusa ngokubi
yeah
obvious my wena ungathula nje babake ngenzela ukubi nje let's be honest
ukubi kanjani phela kukusisa esitudeni nayo uRamaphosa manje masemsusa ukuthi somsusa sithingo uyazi naye ukuthi unamacala phela uRamaphosa is a criminal naye uyazi that's why engafuna ukusuka cause he knows ukuthi he might go to jail yafana noZuma ngalesa sikhathi bayangafuna ukusuka esitudeni because uyazi ukuthi he might go to jail ama rape charges ama ini ubaba wakho lo Ranko manje yena wathatha ama millions wabeka phakathi phansi kwamasofa. That's the first criminality. Uyazi ukuthi masuka lapha kunedisa kunebathini hey lesilungu siyabaleka hayi na lekenzeka ukuthi angaye eje if uyasuka kube president. That's why so naye masimsusa njengoZuma inkinga uZuma walila buya resign na ngokwakhe so naye kumele resign cause kunala sizokhathala khona izophuma enye idoro zakhe zomshikashika cause yamazi ucela ngomshikashika is a businessman othanda belungu umuntu abelungu lo yathina ngazi ukuthi besimisana
so mako umshikashika uzohlulwa yini ukubulala ivice president
ila uthi zosikhanselisa le esivele president lo muntu asikhuluma ngayo So uthi uRamaphosa mafia we.
Angisho kanjani wena uwongisusa kule nto mina ngifuna ukukuza grand. Ngifuna ukukuza grand wena ufuna ngivele ngithi phakathi hayi.
Mara you can do it as long as angithi the time I vice president uye wapha. Hey. Yeah, politics le. But we have politics musla endadini yethu. Uye wapha abantu lamaphoyisa lababulela abantu Americano uye wapha head go ukuthi budala.
Wow.
Our brothers, baba and sisters baba Sean. Actually our brothers not sisters. Bashona le Americana balole imali zabo.
Yes.
Lo mjita lo usibonisa ngakabi president ukuthi angeke asibuse grand. Mara thina because of angazi besingeneni sidomo or siyini as South Africa. Samvotela. While knowing he started stealing imali from amakhoni ukwenza sisokola kanje ugesi uRamaphosa bra wathatha ikhoni
edura ngahamba
uRamaphosa uye wathatha ilena wasayina ideal elakhe elidurayo than elichipile because of leli elidurayo unama shares uzodla yena
like
lo mjita lo businessman yonke into yakhe uyazi ukuthi yena uyabenefita lo mjita businessman una majita lo mjita lo entina abanye ngisho ukuthi bambeke lapha ya thinking ukuthi ngoba unemali zakhe anyeke azazi imali kanti yena uzika smart usishaya smart sibali akashayi njengozuma sijampisele usishaya smart
uyanyonyoba
lo mjita wasayina kunokuthi athenge ilakhe le 150 yena wakhetha ilakhe le 250 uyazi ukuthi le 50 cent le yakhe cabanga una ama-business ayingakhi la onayo eMzansi abu-Bidvest ama-McDonald's
like akayaneli yena ngale mali le
lo mjita unemali maka-resign ahambe uRamaphosa unemali makasiyeke sinje kuyafana maka-resign ahambe ayohlala le emazweni abo Elon Musk eMars
once
or aye eDubai lo mjita unemali ayinto okudlala unama-buffalo i-auction yakhe bathi last auction yakhe wathengisa ama-buffalo wenze more than 18 million cabanga auction inkomo zakhe zihamba boma million zihamba boma 80,000 inkomo unezaka lo mjita and why ningazibuza ukuthi wayena izaka uyithathaphi lezaka bekayini bekava why singayazi history yakhe lo muntu lo seyazi history abantu abahlele naMandela abojela abolitha Sisulu bathabo bani lo mfana lo abokote Mantashi batho bani lo washata umlungu abothotyyo sekwale siyayazi abehistory why singayazi history kaRamaphosa ubuyaphi lo muntu lo ubuyaphi cause bonke nabo
mama nganomu uzama ukungitshela ukuthi akusivenda
no ivenda but asking ukuthi bekakuphi the time lama hero lawa asilwela the time abuzuma bayejele the time abantu bayejele yena bekakuphi
maybe bekusase ipopotwana
kanjani cause no batho bani akusu Paul Mashatile batho bani uPaul Mashatile lo ngikhulume ngaye ngithi batho bani umjita wakhe washo eParliament wathina ngapartheid isikhe saboshwa sathi masiboshwa kumele siye ejele bamphakamisa uRamaphosa bathi wena hamba sekumuvayo thina sayejele na sekumavayo because ini bekayimpimpi
Juti dala bushado bugeme
lo umjita wabelungu wakhulela kuma white hypohamas uRamaphosa wakhulela phakathi wengini zabelungu that's why abelungu bajabule kakhulu mase sibeka yena lapha bayazi ukuthi bayo benefit
so wena mngani wami lo Paul uyamazi
uPaul Mashatile ngimazi kanjani usho ukuthini
like uyamazela la background yakhe
Paul Mashatile mina ngimazi awuzi ngizibuza ukuthi uPaul Mashatile uyozoba president yethu
ngiyangimazi mina bengifuna ukukubuza ukuthi mabangasusa uRamaphosa lo Paul Mashatile lo angasiphatha grand nawo ngokuya ngawo
ukususa mina kuya ngami manje ukususa uRamaphosa we must just remove iANC ukuthi isirule njengoba vele ayisasirule because of manje sesirula yiyo neDA masisi why kwamele sirule amaphathi ayi2 ecountry masisuseni le party lesirule iphathi ayi1 is either umkhonto wesizwe or iEFF finish and clear but I will give umkhonto wesizwe a chance
why
because of lama plan lawa uZuma ahambe nawo wasa bekafuna ukuba the time say president bekafuna ukwayenza he can still do it in Africa izophakama not only South Africa but iAfrica and then wasusa abelungu because of uZuma wa introduce lento leya which is lento ebenga including iAmerica into ebayilolayo manje America neChina lapha bathini na bathini konje lento leya icurrency like lento le bathi mase sizotshintsha imali maybe South Africa angithini South Africa China South Africa i-India kunje bayibizani mani le currency leyazi bale ngikhohliwe include China South Africa India namanye amazwe ne-Russia namanye amazwe but i-America ayifaki that's why i-America ilwa ne-South Africa manje because that's why uZuma bamsusa sasabelungu because boyothathani isingwa kubelungu i-America yiyo ehlezi ifuna ukuthi yona ibe top thina and i-top mara ayinafokolo iyafana nathi phela thina sinafokolo sibale sitop mara sitop ngento ezingaphandle sitop ngama-investors ngaphandle ngisho ne-coke loyiphuzayo is only this shit local sazi ukuthi yenziwa la e-South Africa bomofire but le coke loyiphuzayo yabo ini is made somewhere else
and then sikhona nokubhodla umlilo khona ukubhodla umlilo
wabhodla umlilo wamalangabe asikhulumile ke hey so bengisathini ngisakutshela ukuthi nathi siyachoma mara sinafokolo even nemoto we don't even have our own car ibe South Africa sothi le imoto I thought ngisakhule mina I thought ukuthi maybe i-Toyota ibe South Africa but no it's not made in South Africa
ngoba ubone le flag le ku Quantum le South Africa
i-Toyota ifike kudala before i-Quantum sibale ufuna ukuthini
bengibuza
nami mana ngiyakutshela ukuthi i-Toyota siyazi kudala before i-Quantum bokunama Super 16 bokwama Toyota before i-Quantum ufuna ukuthini bokunama siyaya sesifikile hoyi angene sesifikile sesifika ngathi sesifikile angithi
no sticker sesifikile lesi South Africa
kanti sticker sesifikile sinjani wena moti not sesifikile ngoba sticker sesifikile yile nto le South Africa la besiba nalamalana la i-3 le sesifikile
igama layo lesa
sticker lesa
asi flag ya South Africa
hayi flag ya South Africa is flag ya South Africa flag
ngiyakuthola
esisathini uPaul Mashatile asikise uPaul Mashatile mina kuze ngingayithembi lento lokuthi bafuna ukumbulala angazi wayakhiza afuna ukuba i-victim kanje lo mjidi because kunalawa wakhona kunalawa wakhona leMpopo ezanini wabhuphansi afenta athi bangiphoisonile bamtshela ukuthi hayi it was not poison bokuyinto kanje nekanje was dehydrated akusipoison selimpopo kuyachiza lapha so yena ijambo tjala abantu yadi bafuna ungiphoisina angazi ukuthi wayi mina khizi afuna ukuba i-victim lo mjidi bambulele bazothi bambulele
shithi ufuna ukuthola ifaming
ngazonke indlela kanjani manje why if ufuna
ukuboniwa ngazonke indlela
then makayenza into eziright if ufuna ukuboniwa makasakhele isibhedlela sibize ngaye makasakhele i-police station ibize ngaye makakhe isikolo sibize ngaye that's how we gonna recognize not ukuthi wena so uhlezi ufuna ukubulalwa hayi
shithi musina noma ungena lapha ebupresidentini bazokubulala nge-first day musingeke ukhona
wayeba nabo abazuma babulalanga nabo boRamaphosa akunamuntu akhamthreatina na bangaka ama-president ababusile angakazi ba-threatenina sibala abombeki kumabo Mandela akunamuntu okhe wabathreatinisha uPaul yini yena if ufuna ukubona makakhe isibhedlela makaza le eKalfontein imitrenda azokha isibhedlela or azokha isikolo esintsimbi basibiza Paul Mashatile secondary Paul Mashatile primary Paul Mashatile college or comprehensive school
something
akhi police station into ezonceda umphakathi njengongo lena ngithamba upanyaza wenzeni uthathela labantu laba sivulela i-security agency yakhe naye yasebenza ama-green beans sure
leza shaympam
sure naye nawe yenza something ezonceda umphakathi sizokukhumbula ngaso ukuthi uPaul Mashatile wayenza into ekanje
or mina ngokugaya idea inobuyisa ama-berete once
wena uhlukana nendaba yokubuza every day ufuna ama-berete
ngiyakwazi ukuthi like lo mhlaba lo so since ama-berete ahambile ne lo mhlaba umoshekile like usewumosheke okugcina
umhlaba kudala umosheki abantu labakudala bazama mara bahluleka stile bazamile kusema-berete kuphela nabo uBosnico bazamile amazi uBosnico
no
bazamile uBosnico naye befana bekayibherete ayi-1 bheka amabhayirede ayi-1
ayi-1
ya
ayi
ngiyakutshela uhambe manje ubuze wonke umuntu ungasimi kuphela ubuze umuntu mara olingana nami or ohrot nakunambuza ukuthi uboss Nico njani le ingozi le sibayi mangathola mangangena la endlini asibheme isigisi insango isibayile ithulithe ekhona isigisa yona le nsango kanje sishaye ekhona baba uNico baba awuNico manje batrayile labantu ukuregister icrime ukwenzani ini still
mara bayabasusa before mara nawe mabakhona yayibona ukuthi lento le iyakhona nyana not indoda bayazama nathi
ngibone enye documentary izolo esePitori eseshangubo batshontsha imoto amaphoyisa amelayo khoneni lamajita shaya ispam la hijack imoto amaphoyisa ababhekile
mangitshela ukuthi kube kuhamabherede wena ngokwazi kwakho kuhamabherede bebazoyeka labantu labaya
asasi
amabherede wena owaziyo wena amabherede
uyawazi mina mara wona ngabe kuyibo phela bebanyeke babayeke but phela benyeke bona bayimaintain yonke le South Africa uyanganisana nento engikhulumayo kunalabe babasaba khona njengala eScalfontein lapha asabi yibo bacethe igambling lapha eShoprite lapha kunalabe babasaba khona mara kunalabe bazi ukuthi hala obvious if ngiya hijack manje nizobafonela mara bazofika sesambili
mara bebancede mara
hayi izolo ngibonile ukuthi amaphoyisa akusini next abantu abayisabi le blue uniform baba abantu bamela isibhamu sikhala khona la bathatha imoto sibale ePitori puto hayi Pitori ingozi madoda hawa
angithi naye iphoyisa umuntu ufana nawe unomndeni
ilento leyo ukuthi baphe isigebengu ama right bancintshe iphoyisa phela eSouth Africa injalo iphoyisa lena right ukuthi likhiphe isibhamu lidubule mina ngingakadubuli amasimba phela lento leyo kumele mina ukuthi ngidubule ukuze wena udubule
ceda niyabasola nina amaphoyisa mabangayi lapha ya
kumele bayo umsebenzi wabo
bayezivulalisa
umsebenzi wakho usayile lento leyo
uyayibona naye ngonyaka
anti nofika ngadubula nani nizodubula
kanjani bangafuni ukuthi udubule ekucala
or mina advice engabagayo yona mahata mabachange imagazine or babe nebhamu ezi2
ane yeah
if bathi ningadubula ngithi lesemsebenzi isikhona ngisebenzisa lesemgunyata ngifika lapha ngiyadubula mawuresponda sengikhipha lese la lenyanya
once
cause phela kuba ubulalisa kanje ukuthi ningadubuli hoyi
mara bayenza grand ngezinye indlela ngoba bayabona ukuthi mabangapha amaphoyisa leyo opportunity sebayo own bona
bayo own
nokubulala
kusho ukuthi kuzoba easy ukuthi babulale because yakhumbula the time abagayi permission ukuthi bashaye ngelo futhi basho ukuthi bashaye bathe singaphuma amaphoyisa masibona amaphoyisa sibaleke bona bayaqala bashaya ngamasamba ke ring ibara mabangathola ama powers laba phela sabayanga nasesikolweni
bayorula but hayi
asingafa umphakathi ongafa ring
umhlaba uyoguquka
hey
sekubuyi apartheid
ngenxa amaphoyisa
ungavuma wona ubulala untwana yami
nginqama ungabona ukuthi amazulu mabayenza lento abayenza emazulwini siyibona
ilento ngisho ukuthi kuyovuka apartheid
angeke kuvuka apartheid kuvuka impi yamaphoyisa namazulu yabona namanje phela amazulu abelungu mabangathi bona bafuna ukuvusa apartheid thina yonke bathini yonke umhlaba jikelele sohlala phansi sihlale siphansi bese dilana namazulu sihlale phansi
ngoba engathi amazulu yone power
amazulu anebhamu ukudluleza amakhatha anebhamu amasotsha angaziphathi amazulu anayikhama AK47 sibalo uyawayenzani hayi asidubula siyeke ale bafethu shout out to teachers buba fethu for imo fire this is flavor tone bafethu this is pusha peshi this is blue
ne code yokuskena njengale
ama ingredients lawo manezi this is bathini konjele cherry bloom bafethu this is flavored bathini vitamin thing this is pusha passion this is blueberry this is ginger bafethu this is original bafethu shout out to DJ's Foo for more fire shout out to Stefina Pasha for the books bafethu if you want to buy the books scan the IQR code on the screen bafethu to purchase the books the author of these books is Stefina Pasha bafethu asivaleni kanjalo ngoba isikhathi sisishile bafethu asithi we boo Abasho. Mnganami. Uyazazi lezi abonyawupe lezi mara. Abonyawupe, abonyawupe bengozi nganami. Abonyawupe bacomplimenta kuyo yonke into oyenzayo emhlabeni. Uyakaka bayacomplimenta, ugeza amazinyo bayacomplimenta, uyamaraho bayacomplimenta. Yonke into uyenzela for ukuthi akuthi umgayi zakho. Compliment maceda athi ngikaye 2 rand Gortman. Cabanga unyawupesi loyo. Falo, mawungithembi ukubonisa enye ivideo mawungangithembi mngani wami.
Ayiwe.
Janisto, make easy, kari mama.
Olina hilani. Yale wichaga muga hilani. Wicha chumia u. Gare muje aile. Agire wa maraja. Gare muje unifa.
Yo, don't say this all yot. This yot. Baby nyoba. Baby nyoba. Baby nyoba. Baby.
Hotman. Hotman wana kukuwezesha. Kukuwezesha.
Bramina masuka la usuka ka ndasha ku konya ibetha la
Hotman itsheletsa go botsa Hotman ka wena kukuwezesha Hotman. Kukuwepshaka kantse wa rathanya Hotman go kwa ke ka kwa gating ka mora ka mo la motho ka mo Hotman. Hotman opela 2 rand.
Machawe.
Rathanya Hotman na ke a botsa. Sure, Hotman, continue, sure, guys, continue, guys. Sure, guys, sure, Hotman. Ayona wa rathanya. Sure, Hotman.
Sila. Location. Sila.